top 8 vegetables you can harvest in summer, perfect for backyard gardening. First one is tomatoes. Step 1. Choose the right pot, at least 12 to 16 inches deep, must have drainage holes. Bigger pot equals more tomatoes. Step 2. Use the right soil. Mix garden soil plus compost plus sand. Soil should be loose and well drained. Step 3. Plant it deep. Secret trick. Don't plant like normal plants. Bury the stem deep up to first leaves. Give full sun, needs 6 to 8 hours sunlight daily. Place in your brightest backyard spot. Step 5. Water the right way. Keep soil moist, not soggy. Water daily in summer, early morning best. Avoid overwatering. Step 6. Support the plant. Use a stick, rope or cage. Tomatoes grow heavy and need support. Step 8. Harvest time. Ready in 60 to 80 days. Pick when fully red and firm. The second is cucumbers. You don't need a garden to grow cucumbers, just one pot. And this setup. Take a big pot, at least 12 inches deep. Fill it with loose soil, compost, and a little sand. Drop 2 to 3 cucumber seeds, about 1 inch deep. Water gently and wait. Now here's the secret. Don't let it spread on the ground. Give it something to climb. A rope, stick or net. Place it in full sun, 6 to 8 hours daily. Water every day, but don't flood it. In a few days, you'll see fast climbing growth. Soon, yellow flowers appear, then small cucumbers, and just like that, your pot turns into a mini farm. So, next time, don't buy cucumbers. Grow them in one simple pot. The third is this tiny plant. Can give you peppers again and again and again. Take a medium pot, at least 10 to 12 inches deep. Fill it with soft soil, compost and good drainage. Plant 1 to 2 seeds or a small plant. Keep it shallow, not too deep. Water lightly. Here's the trick. Peppers. Love heat. More sun equals more flowers equals more peppers. Give 6 to 8 hours sunlight daily. Water when soil feels dry, not too much. Add support if it gets heavy. First flowers, then small green peppers, then boom. Your plant keeps producing non-stop. One pot, one plant, endless peppers at home. Now the fourth is this tiny garlic clove. Can turn into a full harvest. Take a deep pot, at least 8 to 10 inches, fill it with loose soil and compost. Now break one garlic bulb, take a single clove, plant it pointy side up, about 2 inches deep, water lightly, and place it in sunlight. In a few days, green shoots start rising. Water when soil feels dry. Don't overwater. Garlic grows slowly, but it grows strong. After a few months, leaves turn yellow. That's your signal. Pull it out and you'll get a full garlic bulb. From one clove to this. Try it once and you'll never throw garlic away again. And the fifth is Baingan. This is not just a plant, it's an eggplant factory in one pot. Take a big pot, at least 12 to 14 inches deep. Fill it with loose soil, compost and good drainage. Plant seeds or a small nursery plant. Keep it slightly deep and water gently. Here's the trick. Eggplant loves heat. More sun equals more flowers. More flowers equals more eggplants. Give 6 to 8 hours sunlight daily. Water regularly. Keep soil moist, not soggy. Add a stick for support. Fruits get heavy. First, purple flowers. Then, small eggplants. And soon, your plant keeps producing again and again. One pot, one plant, endless eggplants at home. The sixth is coriander. You're buying coriander again and again when you can grow it free in one pot. Take a wide pot, not too deep. Fill it with soft soil and compost. Now here's the trick. Don't plant seeds whole, crush them slightly, then sprinkle in the soil. Cover lightly, water gently. In a few days, tiny green leaves start popping out. Keep it in sunlight, but not extreme heat. Water daily, keep soil moist, don't overwater. In just 3 to 4 weeks, fresh coriander is ready. Cut the leaves and it grows again. One pot, endless fresh dhania at home. The second last carrots. You think carrots need a farm? No, they grow perfectly in one pot. Take a deep pot, at least 12 inches. Fill it with soft, loose soil, no stones. Sprinkle carrot seeds on top. Don't push them too deep. Cover lightly and water gently. Here's the secret. Hard soil equals bent carrots. Soft soil equals long, straight carrots. Keep soil moist every day. Give 5 to 6 hours sunlight. Don't overcrowd. Remove extra small plants. After a few weeks, green tops grow strong. Pull one out and surprise. Perfect carrots in your pot. No garden, no problem. Grow your own carrots at home. The last one is spinach. Also grow like coriander, same pot, same process and same time.